Okay, I here have our Google Sheet, all right, just a standard Google Sheet, and I have a table that I created for to-dos, all right, of something, but that is not important. Okay, now of course, if we want to insert a row, let's say somewhere here, all right, then of course we will use the insert, then just do this either above or below. But what if I want to insert a lot of rows? All right, I can always do it one after another. Okay, I can always do it one after another. That's not a problem. Okay, but there's another way to do this. All right, so I'm going to start from here, and I'm just going to select all the way down here. All right, do the same. Go to rows, but now you will see something different. I can insert 10 rows altogether. Right? Of course, if I insert below, I'm not going to see anything. So I'm just going to insert above, and you can see what happened. 10 rows are created because I selected 10 rows. This is a lot faster if you want to insert multiple rows at the same time.